Just by hitting release kit, we're going to get to the first page and we are immediately greeted to our overview. In this project, we don't have any release defined yet, so let's get started by adding a new release. And let's say that we're going to create a new one for the month of September. We're going to get started right away. Let's say that we start on the 1st of September and end the last day of September. And we're going to hit create. Now the new version is being created, and when we click on it, we see that there are no issues found yet. So just by going back to our list view, we can go ahead, open an item, and on the side we see that we have the field fixed versions available. Over here, we're just gonna select September. And by doing that, when we go back to release kit, we can see that as of now, we have one to-do linked to this release. So when we open up this view, we can see that we have one item linked to this particular release. That's already very powerful, isn't it? To achieve with our submission. So when we hit release kit over here, we see that we don't have any releases defined yet. So we're gonna add a release right away. So our name over here is going to be Codegeist. Let's drop the capital G. And we're gonna say that we started a little bit earlier, and we have to release by the 13th of September. We're also going to create this one in other projects. What projects? We definitely would want to have the support on board, and we also would want to have the marketing on board. So now we're gonna hit create, and now while we're waiting, a new release is being created. And not only one release, but other releases as well. As we can see immediately by the lozenge over here, it's a cross project. So whenever we hit the Codegeist button over here, we can see that we don't have any issues linked to our current release, but immediately we can follow up the releases that are linked to this particular release and all those other issues. And I'm gonna just drop them onto the Codegeist. So as we can see over here, all these items are now added to the fixed version of Codegeist. So when we go back to release kit, we can immediately see that we have issues assigned to this one. So we're just going to add this one to the Codegeist release as well. This one is over here. So even in our service project, we over here have the release kit option. And we take a look at the release kit project. We can see that for the support project, one item is being added to this Codegeist entry, but we also have entries in other projects as well.